Now there's two types of Coverage Analyzer capabilities. There's the light version, which is recommended for the CCLM, and then of course there's a heavier version which pulls not just statistics about what custom code object is run, but in fact what lines of code have run. So if we go to transaction SCOV, here you can see it's all green, there's no SCOV light, and under the global settings you can see coverage of all the objects which are running in the system and which lines of code have actually been running. Okay, so the Coverage Analyzer is going to show every single object and how often it's been run and how many lines of code have actually been executed. So in this particular instance I'm going to go after one developer and then one package. So in here, this is the package that we're looking for. So here you can see some coverage on one of the objects and zero coverage on the second object. So I'm just going to run the second object now in SE38 and then get some coverage for it, and then come back and have a look at which lines of code have actually been executed. So the name of the program is YTDT002, and I run YTDT002. Now if I come back to the Coverage Analyzer and I hit the refresh button, with any luck I'll see the YTDT002 go green. So now I've got some coverage, so I've got around 40% branch coverage, and if I click into this, now we can actually have a look at which bits of code have been run. The green highlights, this is code which has been run, and with the red highlights, this is code which has not been run. So within that one particular form, with our execution, it's actually shown us branch coverage here. Coverage Analyzer data is passed on to the CCLM, onto the Custom Code Lifecycle Management. Thanks for listening.